everyone, welcome to Xiaohe Classroom. In this section, we will introduce H312 as a communication operation of the OPC UA server. First, we need to define symbols in the symbol table for the variable we want to communicate with OPC UA. Here I have added several variables that require OPC UA communication. After defining the symbol, open the hardware configuration and double-click the CPU on the rack. First of all, we need to set the Internet Protocol address of the PLC on the TCP IP port side, which is in the same network segment as the OPC UA client side. Then on the OPC side, check Enable OPC UA Server. Then you can choose to log into the server anonymously or log in with a username and password. If you choose to log in anonymously, the client side does not need a password when logging into the server. If you enable passwords, you need to set the server username and password on the right. Is the user enabled and password logged into the server set here? And the username and password are also set. Below is a configuration of the server's name, port, and timeout time. Then add and configure the OPC UA interface and variables in the right window. An interface A has been added here. And then the following elements can add variables to the corresponding interface. The variables configured in the symbol table will appear under Variable. If the variables are added or deleted, they can be updated here to refresh. DB variables will appear under the program block. Drag and drop the variables that need to be communicated with OPC UA directly to the corresponding interface. After adding variables to the interface, you can configure the variables under the interface. For example, the read and write permissions of variables, data types, and other information. Download the project below and use the OPC UA client-side software and PLC connection to see the communication situation. Then open the OPC UA client-side software to add the server and connect to the server. Double-click here and enter the PLC's Internet Protocol address and port number. Then we select this, and then enter the username and password of our server settings. Click OK. After the connection is successful, the node information of the server will appear below. Find the corresponding interface and drag it all to the right to monitor it. Open the status table at the same time and monitor together. Pay attention to changes in the data. In this way, we have realized the communication operation of H312 as an OPC UA server. That's all. Thanks for watching.